Good morning. I've had a lovely couple of days at Durham Grange Caravan and Motorhome Club, but we're off to Edinburgh now for 5 days. 5 nights I should say. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've not really been to Edinburgh. I think I've been to Edinburgh Castle a long time ago when I was little. So I'm going to love exploring Edinburgh. We've got a few plans of where we want to go. With it being a bank holiday Monday, I don't think we'll be moving too far with the motorhome. But we're going to pack up now and we'll get on the road and set off to Edinburgh. Right, we'll catch you later on when we arrive in Edinburgh. Bye for now. Scotland. Right, so that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed that little run up we had. Tomorrow's given quite a good day, so there's either a minibus that you can get from entrance of site. It's about £4 or £6 return, and I think the public transport bus is about 10 minutes away, and that's £4 return. So we'll be off into Edinburgh tomorrow. So if you like this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. Click that little notification bell and it'll notify you of more videos that I upload. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.